Hi fellas, TechXSoftware here. So why is the Razer Viper V3 Pro peak? Short answer is the quality, longer answer is stick around. Okay, so what is good about the mouse? Well, the shape is pretty good, I like it. It's got a solid build, squeeze on it, nothing. And no rubber. I applied rubber here, of course. Nicely tuned clicks. And also they've got the clicks on the side. And got a great sensor. I have no issues. Like it, it's great. Very light mouse, only 54 grams. It's so light. And large skates, as you can see, which is really good for moving around. What's not so good about it is it's about $250 Australian AUD. I'm not sure what that converts to US. You might have to look that up. I thought that was it's just a little bit pricey, but it makes sense, I think. I think it's probably fair for this, but you could probably get maybe kind of similar quality for a bit cheaper. But anyway, next point is probably the polling rate. Polling rate is really good. It can go up to like 8,000, but you only really need like 1,000 to 2,000, maybe 4,000. It's actually a bit hard to tell above 1,000, honestly, but I usually keep this at 1,000, but in game have it go up to 4,000, and I don't think there's any point of having the 8,000. I'm not that fan of the software, and also I think the mouse is expensive enough that it should have had some onboard profiles in it. Overall it's pretty hard to make any complaints about the mouse. It's very good, and that's why I'm calling it peak. It comes with rubber grips, as I mentioned, which is nice. I just apply them anyway because why not? I actually hate it when companies put rubber on the mouse because it degrades and gets ugly, as you can see on my old mouse. If I can zoom in on here, yeah. As you can see, it gets very yuck. Okay. So yeah, as I said, I hate the rubber on it, on the old one, on the Razer Viper Ultimate, my old mouse. Yeah, so the other thing that I didn't like about the old Razer Viper Ultimate was the shape. I thought was like pretty low. I think I became not that a fan of that. Also, the scroll wheel on this one had issues over time where I'm just scrolling normally, it'll just scroll up and down, which got pretty annoying. Also, between these two, I can feel the difference between the clicks. You can also probably slightly hear the difference. This one kind of feels like it's got a looseness to it on these clicks. What was good about this mouse had extra buttons on the other side. I think I only used like one of them now and then. This one has only got 2 buttons, but I think I'm fine with it. So I think this is actually a pretty good first-person shooter mouse. I think that's what it's peak for. There's first-person shooters. It probably obviously can be used for other things, but that's why I think it's like a pretty good mouse. I like it. I do recommend it. I hope you enjoy this TechXSoftware video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.